In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a glowing effect to any text inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. As you can see on the timeline, I have already got a text. You can type any text that you want. Also, we can adjust the text from the Essential Graphics panel. In the next step, let's duplicate the text layer one time and position it in the video layer 4. After that, we need to right-click on the bottom text layer and click on Nest. Now we can call this text. After that, click on OK. Once that's done, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect to the bottom text layer. This is a Gaussian blur effect. And then we have to apply another effect. This is a tint effect. Next, let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize all the effects. From the Gaussian blur effect, we can make the blurriness value around 1000. Once that's done, we have to select any color from the tint effect, and then click on OK. In the following step, we have to duplicate this text layer one time and position it one track above. After that, make sure the second text layer is selected. From the Gaussian blur effect, we can make the blurriness value around 400. Once that's done, we have to duplicate this text layer one time and position it one track above. Again, make sure the third text layer is selected. From the Gaussian blur effect, we can make the blurriness value around 25. Alright, now you can see a wider glow has been added around the text. In this way, you can add a glowing effect to the text inside Premiere Pro.